Okay, so here we are, taking the big trailer onto the property for the first time. I will post a video of how much fun it was getting the small trailer out at some point, but for now, here's where we are. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Gotta love those creaking sounds. Sandy's running out of the way. Sherry's driving. Oh no! Yeah, don't slow down too much. The driveway was put in about a week and a half ago, but yesterday it poured rain. So today, she's a little soft in here. The fun part about taking the video is that I get to stand and watch if they get stuck and laugh and laugh. Somehow I don't think they will. They're getting pretty expert at this. Do not slow down too much. You can see how soft it is at the edges, and because we're pulling the trailer in for the first time, we're going to have to stay to the edges to a certain extent in order to get the trailer into position. Yeah, to a certain extent, not quite as much as. There we go. Oh yeah, let's take out that quarter. I think we're going to be needing the tractor at some point here. Keep rocking it. I don't know why I'm saying anything because she can't hear me. Unfortunately, Sherry had to drive into the muck in order to get around that corner and avoid hitting that tree. And then she had to back up. So it's not a fun situation here. Well, it's fun for me, but not for Sherry. I think I may have to grab a shovel. See you soon.
While we have it.
So Sandy is getting the tractor ready.
I got stuck. I got stuck and it's his fault. It's all his fault because he was telling me what to do and I got stuck.
And Sherry always listens to everything Sandy tells her to do. So I moved back to watch, and Sandy, I think, is getting a little stuck in there. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Unfortunately, the last day for the campground is Friday. Today looks like the only good day to be able to do stuff like this because it's sunny. We don't want to do it in the rain, but it's still really mucky from yesterday, so it's going to be a bit of fun, at least for me. So I couldn't show you the success of getting past that tree. Sherry and Sandy did it with the tractor and the truck pulling it out. I had to not video because Sherry and I needed to communicate because I needed to tell her how much room there was. And there was literally like a quarter to a half an inch between the tree and the trailer. But they made it. Did a good job. So now, because this front tire is about to get mired in the muck, Sherry's going to give her and go forward and then try and get her into position. Oh, the joys of having a trailer. But once she's there, she'll be there for a while. Sandy's keeping the tractor close for the next debacle. Should be fine. We'll be fine. It'll be fun, they said. Buy a trailer, they said. Keep going, keep going. Don't sit there, don't sit there, don't sit there. Okay. Tell you, that truck is working hard for the money today. Well, you can see how beauty the view is going to be from the trailer once we get everything finished setting up. It is a beautiful day. I wonder how easy it'll be to hook the tractor up to the back of the trailer to get everybody out of here. This could be fun. Stay tuned, folks. Trailer's not moving. There you go. Okay. Keep going, keep going. No, sand. She's out of the divot now, caused from the mud. So if she can turn in even more to get the back end to swing around before you... Yeah, I know. Yeah. But the other thing that was happening was the back end, the trailer wasn't moving. It was just sliding.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Get out of it.
Okay.
All right. Hard to...
I see what he's saying.
Come ahead.
This is gonna be fun. This is where the fun begins. Woohoo! Good job. Awesome. Stay turned, stay turned. No, hold on. I'm gonna turn the other way. The fun part is now we're just making that hole so much bigger. Watch the mud fly. Sandy might get very dirty. You're not going anywhere. Sorry. You're just digging yourself in.
mud wonderful?
I like it.
Now I gotta fix all that.
I know. I'll help you. I get a shovel. What's that? You what? Yes. I think we should. And then we can put them over the fire and burn them and have them as bowls.
There we go. Look at all the wood behind you. We got to burn.
We got piles of wood. I won't tell you how many other piles are on the property, but there's a few. There's more.
Maybe them again.
Oh no, he isn't. Trust me. So Sandy is stuck in the mud. No! The front wheels just got mired in there, but Sandy knows how to get her out, thank God. Ah, it's so lovely. I can't let him see this video because I was commentating going, no, you're digging it in further there.
We probably won't watch it anyway.
Good. So the score is mud 2, tractor 1 so far. But there's still time. We got all day. Probably half the night too. Here we are. We have mud 3, truck and trailer 2. So Sandy is about to back up the tractor again, if he can. Let's just see how it goes. And we'll connect the chains again. But I think we're in a better position this time, because he can get some momentum and go straight forward and get her out of there and hopefully pull the trailer and the truck more over to the right and keep it out of this muck.
Yeah, you want to get over that way if you can.
Yeah. You want to be more than just a bit. Yeah. Like, as he's pulling you out, crank her to the right, and then straighten out as you get up there. Let's hope I'm right, because if I'm wrong, Sandy's going to kill me. It's okay. It won't be the first time he killed me. I've lived through it before. Dead. Or alive. Let the games begin. I didn't see that. I think so, yeah. I think that might be part of the solution. Yeah, I'm just saying, yeah. I dare say everything that was on the passenger side of the trailer is now on the driver's side of the trailer. Thank God the shitter got cleaned out. Not yet. The longer she sits there, the more precarious it gets. Remember, that's a lot of weight, right? Like, she's sinking in really good. Yeah. That's why I said hard right, to get her out of there and straighten out. Keep going right. More right. Okay, straighten her out. To the left. Keep going straight. Okay. Okay, stay there. I'm watching your tires to make sure that you're not in a complete soft spot. But when you start going back, you're gonna need to crank it so the trailer goes to that way and give her. Because your back end, the back tire of the truck is mucky. I can't tell her whether to go right or left, because otherwise I'll screw it up. Because I don't know. I've never done it before. I don't wanna. Cher, if you can go forward a couple more feet once he's out of there, just so you have a bit more leverage for maneuver. Oh, Sandy's going to take her straight back. Okay, have fun. Maybe not. Okay. He's going back there? Okay, let me go back there so I can tell you before you go off the trip. I'll shout before you hit the end of the gravel.
Okay.
Walking through the muck, walking through the muck, walking through the muck. Ooh, slippery. Ooh, wet. Ooh. Hope you're all going to have a good laugh at this, because it's not necessarily fun. At least not for them. Okay, it's pretty solid back here. If we can get her to this point. Let's see. Oh, we must be good to go, because Sandy's parking the tractor in the brush, which means he doesn't think we're going to need it anymore. Okay, so we're getting close, but we keep moving back and forth when we should be straightening out, I think. What do I know? Okay, now straighten it out. Straight.